I will say the seller was very proactive and sent an email to ensure that I had checked my type and said that I could in fact cancel ahead of time if it was the wrong one, to make sure that I was receiving the correct thing and that it should just snap on easily as long as I got the right thing. So it's very clear to see in the front where the little piece will go over the front of your Mac. At least it appears very clear to me. So we're going to go ahead and put on the top case. Let's see if that is as easy as they say. Pretty easy. And then this, obviously, again, pretty clear which direction it goes. We'll go ahead and set it on the box, same thing, and place it. It snaps down very easily. Very low profile, very thin margins, like they say. I literally waited to open my new MacBook Air until the case arrived, because I'm that person that wants to make sure. And as you can see, there's a little bit of, oh, that just needed to snap on correctly on the bottom. And then we'll see how it's doing over here. That snapped off pretty easily, but we'll see. There's a little bit of, see in the back here, you can see it might cause a little bit of a problem on the Mac. So let's open it and see just how it does. Back here it does snap on there, but it causes a little bit of tension in that joint, just the littlest bit. And then you can see through the gray smoke right there. So far, snaps on very easily. It is super low profile, but it also does snap off pretty easily, at least on the top. So just something to be aware of. I'm gonna say 4-star. Has a nice feel to it. Definitely protects the edges. Definitely low profile, but I don't know. Question mark on how well it's gonna stay on.
Okay, here is a video of my laptop case. Okay. Go ahead and open it up. So as you can see, I have the midnight color. So I have that pretty blue midnight color. And what I love the most about this case is that it comes with, let me just switch it around so you can see. I'm going to show you from here. If you lift it up, you can see that the color of the case matches the color of the laptop. So although it is a clear frosted case, it is the color of my laptop, so it blends in so well. It doesn't even look like I have a case on it, which I love. So this color, anyone who has the midnight blue, don't mind my fingernails. It has the midnight blue MacBook Air. This case is so good for it. Nobody can even see that you have a case. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the other side. Doesn't really have like a whole bunch of like fingerprints on it. It just really looks like it's just a normal laptop. Just open up again. It does seal all the way through, so there is no space in between. You can see. And because it is so dark that it matches the color of the laptop, you can see the real Apple, but because this is so dark, it's not really bright. So I went ahead and put the sticker on. So now I have that sticker to show that it's an Apple. You know, the sticker that comes with the laptop. Now, the only thing that I will say, if you hold up your MacBook Air, you know that this thing is light as a feather. Once I put the case on, there is a significant amount of weight to this. Is it something that I can still walk around with? Yes, but the weight is very different. This is a little, you can tell it's heavier, even though this is so thin. But yeah, this is it.
Perfect fit. Couldn't be happier. That's just dust and dirt. I had it upside down. That's perfect. Everything snapped in nice. As you can see, perfect. Perfect. As you can see, would recommend it 100%.
Highly recommend this. This is a spec case that I bought. This didn't even last a year. And this is 3-4 times more expensive than this is. This thing cracked. It's pretty much the exact same type of material. And this looks even better than the spec did. It is so clean. Highly recommend. Very happy with this purchase. Very happy with this purchase. Buy this now.